to do all that. I could edit it out. Just grab your phone and bring it here, Jada. Jada. So grab your phone out of the thing and come here. I can edit it out, Jada. Stop hitting me! You look dumb! Jada, you're not even helping. I'm helping. I'm going to introduce it.
Welcome to our tutorial on how to make edible and non-edible blood.
That's okay. Jada, you got something?
Huh?
Jada! You know what? Okay.
Johnny's, where's the mouth sticker? Because I need you to put it on my mouth. I can't see though.
Okay.
I found the mouth.
Shut up! Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making non-edible and edible blood. I have here my brother and my sister. We're going to be making edible blood today, right, Jada?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Never actually made chocolate blood sort of thing, so I just bought things that might make sense in this tutorial. So don't judge me.
So this is the dye we're going to be using to color the blood. Only for $5.99 at the dollar store.
Chocolate Hershey syrup, some light corn syrup. This is the main ingredient. Bowls. We're gonna make it. This is so annoying. You got corn syrup. You have to get Caro light corn syrup. So that's what it is. And then we're gonna pour.
Teaspoon or something?
No, we're just winging it.
I know we're not gonna buy this. Watch it turn out bad.
We're gonna wing it. Here is the corn syrup. Now we're gonna add the chocolate syrup.
You looked this up?
Hershey. Yes, I did.
Okay.
And I got the ingredients, and people were winging it on the video. So
Hershey, you wing it, you mess it up.
That's disgusting. You're disgusting. You disgust me.
Okay.
In which now? You need to recite the spell. JJ, they can't see it.
This is the edible version. This is the edible version. We have corn syrup, chocolate, and dyes.
Look at you drop.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna use red and a little bit of blue to make it really. I don't know how much. Okay.
The droplets?
Yeah, you have to count it. I put 10 in there.
I thought what happened to winging it?
It kind of does just a little bit. I want it darker. If you want it darker, put more red in it.
You should probably test that theory before saying it.
Keep mixing. Keep mixing.
See, people, this is a sticker that's in my hand right now. That's proper.
Yeah, but you're not even in the frame, so.
I'm in the frame now, aren't I?
Dude, this would really help if you actually stand up, you lazy.
You know what would actually really help? If I could stab your eyes out with this spoon, but I can't do that, can I?
Can we mince?
Joke's on you.
You better not say jokes on you, I don't have eyes, because you're not going to have some.
Joke's on you. You don't have a spoon to.
It's not even red. Okay, I'm gonna add more red.
Yes. It looks like brown.
You look like brown.
John, you got one more time.
Okay, now it's starting to look red. A little bit of blue, make it darker.
Okay, I think that's enough blue. Before you make it look like him even more nookie.
Oh, it's getting darker.
Few moments later.
You want me to get the plate ready?
The edible blood. There we go. So, we made our first edible blood.
John, you try first, just in case if you die. I don't know not to eat it.
Tastes sweet.
Yeah, why would...
Just gonna use this spoon.
Tastes like chocolate.
Tastes like milk chocolate.
Tastes like, how does it taste like milk chocolate?
Try it.
This is
See these people? This is the first batch that came out pretty good.
That look like predator blood.
Yeah.
I wanted to be family friendly. ASMR video. You some tingles. They said that we're gonna be doing some tingles today.
John, what type of ASMR do you be watching?
My hands are so sticky. Predator blood.
JJ, you didn't do anything. You sat here the whole
Okay.
time.
No, darker, John. Dark. Okay.
Yeah, do the dasher right now.
Let's not. What you gonna?
I totally forgot I put a sticker on my head.
When they meant corn syrup is sticky, it's really sticky.
I'm gonna eat
Here, John, you can eat it.
it. I can eat it?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
John, eat it.
We
not
said
put it
eat
on
it,
your
not
face.
I thought this was the non-edible version, so we're not supposed to eat it.
John, hold this. Record it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Remember, kids, if you want to be a hand model, my hands are the greatest.
I'm gonna put the rest of this in here because at this point,
That
Look
might-
at you.
I'm good. I'm just gonna pour the rest of this in here.
You sharded.
Why is there no more rip?
Cut it out.
We need. I'm not cutting it open because this is done. Okay. Maybe we should add this in here.
No. You shall not mix edible and non-edible.
Chocolate, dummy.
You look like chocolate in it, dummy.
Well, I'm not the one who was stupid enough to not watch her put the chocolate.
Well, she.
Ah, stupid says what? Stupid says what?
I know you're stupid, but what am I?
I feel stupid.
My arms are tired.
Twist the bones and then that back. Triple is baby fat.
Can we get copyright from this?
Yeah, that's more pink.
John! You're the one that made it edible. You should know.
Yeah, the United States is calling you.
I'm not answering. You know the government's after me. I've done some things in my day.
Imagine being called by the U.S.
Now you know that's a scam.
Okay.
Y'all want to listen to the voice now?
Using some.
Okay. That's blood. Did it say Spanish?
Right, like I speak Spanish.
Oh, I couldn't understand. That was gibberish Spanish.
You killed
Predator blood.
You sicko.
So.
Sicko. Sicko.
Okay. Okay. Well, this, I feel like it was a fail.
Tune in next time on Dragon Ball Z.
If you want to make blood, I will give you the right recipe and the measurements for it.
We'll put it in the comment section.
Yeah, I will put in the description box.
Comment section.
That's not what it's called. It's description box.
Comment.
I'm not.
Down.
The right ingredients will be in the description box.
Link in the
Wait,
description.
why did I send that to mom?
You idiot! If you want to make blood, very cheap. Get some corn syrup.
Stop it!
Chocolate syrup, and red dye. That's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Comment down below and like it. Subscribe to my channel. All that good stuff. Anything you want to say for the camera.
Tune in next time on Dragon Ball Z. Flossing on the haters will cause them to go away. If they hating on you and cramping your style, floss on them. You're you, be you. Stay positive.
For this video, for
For $1.99 at Walmart.